Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Huawei Y61 louder. So sadly in the default settings of the system we don't have any options for making the device louder, nothing like an equalizer or something like that. So we have to download app for that, and it's named a volume booster from GoodF. There is a name of the app, you will find it in the Huawei store with any problem. So just install it and launch by no thank you 3 times. Close the window and click OK. And now by this little slider you can increase and decrease the volume speaker power. And that's it. If you want to stop this service, just click here, OK, and it's done. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.